The first thing you need to do when you get into iMovie is go to File, or a new project with your first name and then Booktalk. If you want to select one of these, you can. It's really not going to be a big thing in our project for this Booktalk, so I'm going to click None, click Create, and now here it is. First thing you need to do, like I showed you in the example Booktalk, is you need to video record yourself saying, "Hi, my name is, and this is my book." So I'm going to do that now. Press the little record button to record, and then it should pop up on your screen. There it is. And here I am, and I'm going to press capture to start recording. Capture again. Hi, my name is Alyssa, and I just read Librarian on the Roof by M.G. King. Okay, I'm going to let that process. Click Done. And there it is. Going to drag it, highlight the whole thing, and drag it up. If I watch that back, I might not want these last couple seconds where it's me trying to find the button on my computer to push. So I'm going to watch it back and see exactly where I stopped talking, right about here. So I'm just going to highlight the part that I want and drag that up there. If your screen is switched around, you might have the clip up at the top and your project down here. You can always just click these two arrows. That flip-flops that around. So there's that. The next thing you need to do is go out to Google and get a picture of your book, which I have a picture of a book. It's not the one that I just did, but let's pretend like it is. Here's my book. I'm just going to drag it right in there. A couple things when you first put this clip in. Click on the blue gear. We need to change, the first thing we need to change is the cropping. You can either fit this so that you see the whole thing, or you can leave the Ken Burns effect on. And what that does is it scrolls through your picture. So you'll either want to start at the top or the bottom probably, and end at the opposite. So if I want to start at the bottom, whoops. So I'm going to start it down at the bottom, and I'm going to choose to end it up at the top. You could start at the top and end at the bottom either way. I'm going to click Done. And now the next thing that I need to do, so now if you watch that clip by pressing spacebar, you can see that it starts at the bottom and it moves all the way up to the top. Okay, the next thing you need to do is make this clip longer. So you can click that blue gear again, click Clip Adjustments, and then go ahead and just change it to like 100 seconds for now. Click Done, and that'll make it longer. We can always trim that back at the end. So now what you need to do is record your voice over the top of the picture, and this is where you're going to explain your characters and your setting and your problem and the events of the book. Okay, so to do that, you'll click the microphone, and then you'll click to tell it where you want to start recording. It'll give you a countdown, 3, 2, and then you're going to tell the characters, the setting, the problem, and the events, just like you have them written down on your Booktalk planning sheet in your Google Documents. Okay, you can flip back and forth between your windows to do this, okay, so that you have that document up and running, and then we can always trim the audio down if you need to. Press spacebar to end that, and then you see the recording here. Now if I need to trim this down, I can just highlight and select all of it, press delete on my keyboard, and there it goes. Now you'll go back into record to the camera to record you giving your little recommendation for who would like this book, what kind of readers would like this book, and then you'll be done. If you get these first 2 steps done this week, that would be a very good start. The last step is very simple, just as simple as the first step. The middle one is kind of the one that will take you some time. If you have to break it up, if you want to record just the characters and then pause it and then click record again and then record the setting, that would be fine. That'll help split it up a little bit so that you'll be less likely to make a mistake. Obviously you need to be spread out throughout the room as you're doing this so that you're not hearing everyone else's voices in your recording. Okay? Hopefully this gives you a good idea of what you need to do. If not, you can watch some of the other examples. I'll put one on the library projects page, and there's other ones at the Iowa Children's Choice Award website. Hopefully this has helped you. Good luck!